doctor.
Cancel my appointments, nurse. This is my golf day.
Come back here, you little malpractice moocher! What? Oh, I'm terribly sorry, sir.
You young folk, always in a hurry. In my day, we respected our elders.
Woodpecker!
I made it. I'm out. I'm fine. Never better. See you later.
Back again, Woodpecker? I'll give you a free loaderectomy you'll never forget. Nice going, laughing boy.
Oh no, it can't be.
Look what I found, ma'am.
Another chickenpox case. This could be very serious. You've done a fine job getting him here. But you look tired. Take the rest of the day off.
Whoopee! Yeah! All right! Oh, I mean, thank you, ma'am.
Wow, just what the doctor ordered.
By Jiminy! These steaks smell good enough to eat. Maybe the ambassador would like a little more sauce, eh?
It's a good thing I got a boarding house reach. By golly, you'll get no more free lunch for nothing.
This
This makes it more intricate. But I'm full of tricks. Pardon me, but I think my ping pong ball landed in your hard-boiled egg. Nope, this is an egg. This is another egg. This is an egg too. So is this one. Nope. 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 Oh, here it is. Thanks. I forgot my paddle. Hey, did you see an arrow come over here? Oh, there it is.
So, this is your game, eh?
Sure. I always play for big stakes.
Maybe you like my little game.
And Barbador, I've an awful itch to attend barbecue at home of Wally Walrus. Well, what do you know? Guess who I'm going to have dinner with?
Ambassador, I've an awful itch.
Porcitornia, Icia mornia, Visi smaśnia, Orsi maśrio, Boryskusnia, Rysiskusnia, Kulemin besnia, Wiworsniak.
Hey, you look pretty hot with a beard.
Howdy, partner. I ask you, is there anything better than the taste of delicious barbecue ribs? Especially when they're slathered with my thick, tangy, home-style barbecue rib sauce. Once you've tried it, you'll never want to be without it. For barbecue that ain't phony, it's got to be homey.
At ease, Sergeant Hogwash. General Oxford is on his way down from Texas. His boys are going to do some top-secret Antarctic Corps ice training. Oxford has promised his boys a Texas-style barbecue before they start. You know what we say in the Corps, Sergeant. An army marches on its stomach.
Yes, sir, they do, sir. Painful as that sounds, sir.
That airdrop contains all the Texas barbecue fixins you'll need. Carry on.
Now this here's a barbecue.